I'm saying, wake that nigga up. Did it come with stickers though? Hell yeah! What's good, everybody? Dre Lamar back at it with another one, man. Today we got more LS430 content. Today we will be cleaning the leather. Today is a review. Today we'll be doing a review of Lexol. If I'm saying it right, sorry if I'm not, but I will be doing a review. Mind you, my car is a 2002, so yeah, that's a 19 years old car, so I would say the leather's holding up pretty well. I mean, if I could show you the seats in my Mustang, which is an 01, they look like a disaster. So, I mean, these all being said, a few water bottles look pretty damn good. They just need a good cleaning up. I've been a little neglecting. Oh, see, you know, a little dirt here and there, so let's go ahead and see what the 1 and 2 do to the leather on the 2002 LS430. So go ahead, tap in, smash the like, hit the subscribe if you enjoy the content. Let's get into it. According to the instructions, first thing you want to do is spray the cleaner on the cloth or a sponge, massage it in, wipe it away with a damp cloth. I mean, using a damp cloth or a towel, and then go ahead and hit it with the conditioner. So, step one, let's get it. All right. Let's go ahead. That's the difficult way, you know me. Just come on with it. Alright, it's been a few minutes. Let it soak in. Okay, so that's the back seat. They all nice and cleaned up. Sorry for the background noise. Like I said, they're doing construction over there. You can't really see. Got the brightness up high because it's kind of dark in the car. Phone dying, so I can't use my flash, but the mats look good. It cleaned off the back of the seat good. The seats look nice, pearly cream. And the front looks great. Clean mats. And that's the driver mat. Clean as can be. I will be putting these back on the floor. For a car 19 years old, I mean, what can you say? For 19 years old, it looks great to me. I would buy this car if it wasn't mine. I really recommend the conditioner. The conditioner, can't really see, conditioner gave it a nice little shine. Makes it look really good. The cleaner, I don't know if, you know, maybe some of this just not gonna come off, but the cleaner, I would say I would give maybe a 5 or 6 out of 10, and I would give the conditioner like an 8 or a 9. What they could step up on it is maybe the fragrance, and with the cleaner, maybe make it a tad bit stronger. That's it for today's video, man. Smash that like and hit subscribe if you enjoy the content and want more videos like this, and I'm out.